Alright folks, here I am downstairs on the Capital Quarter in San Joaquin car. This is the Cabcar, and this is definitely 6964, and this is what is in the Surfliner Cabcars. As you can see, the difference between Capital Quarter San Joaquins and Surfliners these. Well, this is only on Capital Quarters and San Joaquins, but the rest of them, they're on the Pacific Surfliner. So yeah, remember, California has 3 local Amtrak routes like this: Capital Corridors, San Joaquins, and Pacific Surfliner. Let's go down upstairs. This is what the train looks like.
That has to be fairly typical, right?
Nice.